Welcome to SDCTech. This is Casteeve. I'm going to show you our new tech for today. This tech, it's not new in the market, but it is new on our channel. So we're going to do unboxing. So as you can see, here is our action camera, and that is what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about this action camera. We'll see how well it will be compared to others in the market. And of course, this is not a GoPro. This action camera is called AT-S60TR. The pack is really good. Okay, very good. So we're going to find out what is inside. Okay, I'll put it somewhere here. You can mount this camera in every action you would wish to take a picture of. Record them. Let's move this one here. No need to restart. This action camera is a touch screen, 2-inch LCD, wide angle lens, waterproof, 30 meters, long battery. Okay. So our action camera is there. Good. Whoa. Okay. We have our camera manual. This should be the battery charger. We have our remote. This is our battery. We'll come back to that. These are the cables. And this is extra. This is mountain. Two of them. The accessories are even more than any other action cameras I've ever seen. All this comes in one pack. And this camera is $80. If you are lucky, you buy it on Black Friday, you will be able to get it less than this. I was thinking about buying a GoPro, but to what I'm going to use it for, I think this will be enough for me. So if you are thinking about buying any action camera like a GoPro, consider this. You can consider this. These are all the accessories that came with it, with the straps and everything, so that you can mount. Yep, it's finished. You can mount your system together with extra cover for your camera. And here is the straps. We will find out how we can mount it. This is my first time of having this, so I don't really know where and how the straps are. We have longer one, bigger one, and smaller ones. So yes, this is an action camera, 4K Ultra HD. So I'm going to open it. This is the main reason we are here today. This action camera is the main reason we are here. Now lock is open, and our camera, it's coming. Very good. Now this is a camera we're talking about. This is a camera we're talking about here. The weight is relatively good. We have port for USB, and you have a port for SD card. Our menu buttons, OK buttons. We have arrow navigation buttons, and here is where our battery is going to be. Now, interestingly, we have 2 batteries that came with this device. So looking at what I'm seeing here on my text right now, yeah, my first impression is it is good. I haven't started yet, I haven't tried yet, and I don't know yet. So I'm going to open this one now and I'll test it for you guys to see. 2 battery, and the charging unit will probably go this, yes, it goes this way. Very good. You'll plug into it like this, and you plug in this too, and I think our USB charger will go here, and then you charge it, ready to go. Let's see if we have enough battery. We can power this and try. Let me put this one here. Yeah, I'm going to use the one that came with it already. So I'm going to take the screen off. Now it's a touch screen. We will need memory card to make sure that it works. Other than that, everything is fine. Now let's talk about what we have here. This is our remote, and the remote also works fine. The moment you turn on, you powered your action camera on, all you have to do is just to press the remote. You don't need to set anything with the remote. This remote have battery. If you are interested in this, I'm going to put all that specification down in my description, and I'll add the link where I bought this from in my description too. I am 100% sure that it's going to work perfectly for us. Oh yes, it looks awesome. Company seems to be very thoughtful. I think this is what they are doing to compete the market. I never expected all these things to be in one box. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. I hope you like it too. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this. This is SDC channel. Subscribe, and please don't forget to click on the notification button so that all the videos we may send will come to you. Casteeve here. I salute you.